This build is actually for a customer who had a son who was recently in an accident. But it's been uniquely built for their family and in honoring their son.
We always have a great time with these special builds, and this one is no different. This one comes with XD wheels and a level running board that runs along the bottom. We've equipped this van with Avatar bumpers, both front and rear, a worn winch, and these bumpers have been personalized with the client's name. We've added LED lights to the bumper and to the roof rack. We went all out on the inside. We've fitted this van with an electronic wheelchair lift for easy lifting up and down. We've installed anchor points and two 13-inch DVD monitors.
So this is a 2019 van that we've built out. It's got lots of extra options on it. If it's a handicapped person, a family, for snowmobiling, rock crawling, you can build these vans out however you choose to build the van.
We've upgraded the audio system as well with a Kenwood deck that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've added two Infinity subwoofers and a set of Infinity outdoor speakers. We've added several switches for the external lighting. And as always, we're only using Nissan components to create our four-wheel drive systems. No matter what your van needs are, Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne has got you covered. From a basic four-wheel drive conversion to a full-on customization. Tim Dahle Nissan, we get you moving.